Hi guys! So today I'm going to be showing you how eyeliner and eyelashes can completely change the shape of your eye. So I'm going to be taking this liquid eyeliner and showing you a few different types of eyeliner shapes, and then I'm going to be adding in multiple of our Silly George lashes to show you how that can enhance it even more. Now it is important to note that although I will be using a regular eyeliner for this particular video, you can also use our Silly George LinerBond Pro in black as an eyeliner. I've tried glue, which is difficult and takes forever to dry. I've tried magnetic lashes, which are heavy and don't really sit on the lash properly. And I've tried LinerBond, and honestly, LinerBond is the innovation that you need to try. It is hands down the easiest way to apply false lashes that I have ever tried. So to start off, I'm just gonna apply a lash to this eye without any eyeliner because I wanna have a bit of a baseline. I'm gonna be using the Girl About Town lashes. This lash is more of a half lash and will just create more of a wing on the outer corner of your lashes. And because this one is a baseline, I'm gonna go in with the clear LinerBond Pro to show what they look like without any liner at all. So already you can see that the Girl About Town eyelash has completely changed my eye shape. This eye looks a lot more elongated compared to the natural lash, and it has created a little bit of a cat eye just using the lashes alone. For the next eye, I'm just gonna go in with my eyeliner and I'm just gonna create a little tiny wing on the outer corner. Nothing too dramatic, just something fine and simple to really sort of lift the eye shape up a little. So as you can see already, that half eyeliner has already created sort of more of a lifted effect and made my eyes look a bit more cat-like. So now I'm going to go in with the second lash and show you the difference that adding an eyelash and eyeliner together can really make to your eye shape. So I'm just taking the LinerBond Pro in black and I'm just going to pop it along the lash line. And as you can see, it doesn't interrupt the eyeliner at all. So already you can see the difference. The eye with the eyelash has already been elongated, but the eye that has the eyeliner as well has also been lifted. So it not only has that elongation, but also it has been lifted a bit more, creating more of an almond shape. Next up, I'm going to be taking two much more dramatic lashes, and on the first eye I'm going to show you how to create a much more rounded and open eye look, and on the other we're going to go full cat eye and completely elongate it out. So to create that big and open eye look, I want to go in with an eyeliner shape very similar to the one I've already done here. I'm just going to make it a little bit more dramatic. Bringing it up a little bit higher and around to the inner corner. And I really want to create that sort of wave shape along the eye. For the elongated eye, I'm going to start a little bit lower and draw it out a little bit further. And while we are going to bring it all the way into the inner corner, we want it to be less of sort of like a wave and more of a straight line. And there you have the two different eyeliner shapes. So on this side, we've got a much more elongated and long eyeliner. It's a bit more straight. And on the other eye, you can see it has a much more sort of rounded and curved wing, a little bit shorter and placed a little bit higher up just to create that really lifted and round look. Now to finish up with some false eyelashes from our Silly George range, I'm going to go in with Girl on Fire on this eye. This is definitely one of our most dramatic and lengthening lashes that we have in our collection. It's really beautiful and thick and has some really long lashes on the edges, which are going to really help to create that lengthened look. And just going in with my LinerBond Pro. I will say that one of the best things about using eyeliner with your eyelashes is that you don't have to worry about them being perfect. You do get a little bit of room for mistakes when it comes to applying your lashes. And then finally going in on the other eye with this Girl Overboard lash. This lash is much longer in the center than it is on the edges, and that's going to really help to create that rounded and open eye look. Finally, I'm just going to go in with an eyeliner pencil and I'm going to show you how you can enhance these looks even more using the bottom lash line.
To make your eye appear smaller and longer, you can take a black eyeliner pencil and line the top and bottom waterline. And to make the eye appear bigger, you can instead use the liner underneath your lower lash line. You can also take a white or flesh-colored liner to your waterline to give the illusion of larger eyes.
And there you have it, that is both eyes done, both in completely different ways with two completely different results. I love finishing off my makeup with a false lash. Not only do they look amazing, but they make you feel amazing. The Silly George lashes just look and feel so natural, and they really boost my confidence. I really hope you found this video helpful and that you learned something today. I will see you guys again very soon with another video.